guys, I was gifted this wooden tray. It is a DIY tray, wooden. It also comes, the bottom is a diamond painting. So this is the box that it comes in. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the package. You do have to assemble this, so I'm gonna open it up and I'll show you what it all comes with, and then I will show you the process as I create the box. Okay guys, as you can see, this is what it comes with. It comes with a pattern already made for you. It comes with the 4 pieces to make the tray, plus another, the 5 pieces to make the tray. It comes with all of the hardware and the tools. Comes with all of the diamonds that you'll need to complete this, and also comes with instructions. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll be back. Okay, just a little example of how this is done. This piece is sticky and it has a film over it, so I'm just cutting off a little corner, and then use the wax that came with it inside the tool that comes with it, and you can just dot it, and then you just place the jewels right on the number that's coordinated with the pack. So as you can see, it's a number 2, and it shows number 2. So as you can see, it's very easy, and I just wrote in here with a little dry erase marker too, so I know what color they are. But it does come with one green thing. I just happen to have many. So it only comes with this, and it only comes with 1 container. So just FYI. Hi guys, I'm back. I have finally finished the diamond painting DIY. As you can tell, it is quite intricate. It did take me quite a few hours to get it done, but as you can tell, it's very shiny. It's actually a very beautiful piece done. I did have about 30% of diamonds left over. I definitely had enough to complete the project with no issues whatsoever. I am going to go ahead and put the next piece together, which is this plastic piece to go over to protect it, so when you use it as a tray, the jewels won't get disrupted. It does have a backing on both sides, so we'll take that one off, and then we'll take this one off. And as you can tell, it's very clear plexiglass. Give me 1 second and I'll insert it and show you what it looks like. All right, I got the plastic inserted. I'm gonna go ahead and put the screws that came with the kit in. Let me just lightly put them in there. It does come with the tool to screw them in, so you don't have to have any extra materials of your own. They're very easy to screw in. Okay, as you can see, I have it all put together. There's the plexiglass. This little piece that comes on the front is actually a cell phone holder. So if you had it on a table to display something, you could watch your phone. If you wanted it to use it as a tray to watch your phone on, you could do that. Or set it up to put drinks on next to your pool and hold your phone and play music. This has tons of things that you could do with it. I enjoyed putting this together, and I think if you're looking for if you're looking for a product that is not only fun to do but beautiful when it's done, I would definitely grab you this. And if you like to do diamond paintings, this is a fun one to do because it's on a hard backing. I found that I had a lot of luck with that. As you can tell, it is extremely sparkly and is definitely a standout piece. So once again, if you're interested, go ahead and look this one up. Thanks.